Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you CBSE school teaching job vacancies in Saudi Arabia. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.iisjed.org. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page, International Indian School Jeddah. In this main page, one of the option right corner vacancies available. So I will give it to you the website link in the description. You can use and apply as per the instruction. So if you click this link vacancies, you can get what are the job vacancies in Indian International School Jeddah. So this is local advertisement for 9th March 2021 and 10th March 2021. In this school they are offering few vacancies for CBSE school teachers. Online application are invited from local eligible candidate against various position. The applicant are required to submit online application by clicking the link below. For the details of vacancy, kindly read the advertisement by clicking the link above. So this is the instruction here they are given. So first we can click local advertisement 10th March 2021. So if you click this link, you can get one PDF. So International Indian School Jeddah, CBSE affiliated senior secondary school. So they are invited online application only from locally available Indian citizens for filling up the vacancy HMKG 11 and 12 boys section. The candidate having transferable HICMA may be preferred for the said post. So candidate are required to apply online through the link is given. So no other means mode of submission of application will be accepted. The recruitment test and interview will be conducted through online mode only. The schedule of online submission of application is as follows. So number of posts here mentioned HMKG1. So what are the qualification and experience they are preferring? Graduate in any discipline. B.Ed is B.Ed from recognized institute or a bachelor in elementary education. So minimum experience is 10 years teaching experience, 5 years in the KG, 2 years in academic administration or supervision. Should be talented in organizing various activities and play way methods in kindergarten level. That means HM 11 and 12 boys section. This is also the same procedure, minimum 10 years experience, a postgraduate degree or B.Ed or equivalent. So the deadline of this application is 25th March 2021. So important they are given, candidate are required to upload the copy of qualifying degrees and certificate of experience while applying online. So before applying, please click the online application link here given. For any query, please write us to recruitment@iisjed.org. So this is one of the advertisement for HM boys section KG1. Then another one local advertisement for 9th March 2021. So this is the local advertisement for teachers position. So this is also online application only from locally available Indian citizen in Jeddah for filling up the following teaching vacancies on ad hoc basis. Candidate are required to apply online through the link given. No other means will be accepted. So first one is name of the post is primary teacher 1 to 5. The eligibility criteria bachelor degree in 50% marks in teaching subject. Pass in central teacher eligibility test CTET or STET conducted by the CBSE. Competency to teach through English medium. Desirable knowledge of computer application. So candidate without CTET or STET also may also apply. The second one is name of the post TGT 6 to 8 Science, Hindi, Islamic Studies, and 9 and 10 Physical Science, Urdu, Tamil, Malayalam. Physics, Chemistry, English, Sociology, Accounting and Marketing, and Urdu. So these are the vacancies. So in this vacancy also what they expecting, what is the eligibility criteria here mentioned. 4 years integrated degree course of Regional College of Education, bachelor degree in 50% of concerned subject. If you are interested to apply Hindi subject, mean Hindi as a subject in 3 years in the graduation. Otherwise English mean English as a subject in the 3 years. Urdu also the same procedure. Urdu, Malayalam, Tamil. If you are interested in Malayalam and Tamil, mean the concerned language to be studied as an elective subject in all the 3 years at graduation level. B.Ed or equivalent degree from recognized university they can prefer. Proficiency in teaching English medium. Desirable of computer application. So here they are given essential for physics, chemistry, English, sociology. The same procedure. Make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification and etc. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So how to apply? So in this job vacancies, how to apply? So here they are mentioned the online application. If you click this link online application, you can get one online application form, International Indian School, Jeddah. This application form should take approximately 10 to 15 minutes to complete. There are only 3 sections to this application form. You will require to upload letter of application maximum of 2 pages and up to date CV maximum of 2 pages. Please ensure you have all documents ready to upload. You begin this process. The first one is your personal details. Which post are going to apply? If you click this link, you can primary teachers and applicant name and passport details, then your subject details, job category. So one by one you can fill. Then finally you can give your mobile number, email ID. The next one is educational qualification, exam passed and year, subject and board and university, percentage of marks and mode of education. Regular mean you can select regular. So this is the way of submitting your application. So the third one is professional experience. So you can mention your experience detail in this column. Finally you can upload a required document in a single file. So once you have uploaded, you can give it in the achievement in academic and co-curricular activities. You can fill in this box. Once you have completed all the sections, you can submit your application. Once you have submitted your application, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So here they are given instruction. Please verify the entries before submission. Multiple applicant will not be entertained. Please make sure that the entries are made as per the passport. So everything they are clearly mentioned here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.